Now we'll come to second form of standard equation of hyperbola. Second form is simply y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. So again for this, first thing is eccentricity. So it'll again be b square equals a square e square minus 1. Now focus in the previous cases plus minus ae comma 0. Now in this case focus will be 0 comma plus minus ae. Third one is directrix. Now for the first form, directrix is x equals plus minus a upon e. Now here it will be y equals plus minus a upon e. So basically we are just interchanging x and y. Center is again at 0 comma 0. Now we'll write transverse axis. Again for transverse axis, x and y will interchange. So transverse axis vertices will be 0 comma plus minus a, and now in this case conjugate axis, its coordinate will be plus minus b comma 0. Now we'll write length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum will again be 2b square upon a, and then in the same way we can write all other characteristics for this second form. Now we'll write asymptote for this hyperbola. So we know that asymptote is y equals plus minus b upon ax for the first form. So for the second form it will be x equals plus minus b upon ay, or simply we'll write y equals plus minus ax upon b. So that is the equation of asymptote in this second case. Now one shortcut of writing asymptote is equation of asymptotes and equation of hyperbola, it just differ by a constant. So if we take this equation of hyperbola and in place of this 1, if we'll replace it with 0, then we can write y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals 0. Then we'll get this as y equals plus minus a upon bx, which is equation of asymptote. For the first form also, if it is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. So we'll write x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals 0. We'll get y equals plus minus b upon ax. So again, by using the same method, we can get asymptote for this first form also. So now we can draw this hyperbola. We'll draw asymptotes first. So one of them is y equals a upon bx, and the other one is y equals minus a upon bx. Now vertices are 0 comma plus minus a. Now they are on y-axis. So it will be 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. So now we can draw this hyperbola. So this is how hyperbola of the second form looks like. So again it has two branches, one above x-axis and one below x-axis. And then we have focus, directrix, everything on y-axis. So here in this case, focus is at 0 comma ae and 0 comma minus ae. And in the same way we have directrix, which is parallel to x-axis. So this is y equals a upon e and y equals minus a upon e. So this is how we solve questions on standard form of hyperbola for both the forms, first form as well as for the second form. Now here the question is for the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x plus 32y minus 151 equals to 0. We need to find its directrix, length of latus rectum, focus and eccentricity. So what we'll do is we'll take terms of x and y together. So we'll write 9 and then it'll be x square minus 2x, and then we'll take minus 16 common and it'll be y square minus 2y and minus 151 equals 0. Now here we'll add 1 and subtract 1, and here also we'll add 1 and subtract 1. So we'll write 9 and this is x minus 1 whole square and minus 9. Now minus 16 y minus 1 whole square plus 16 and minus 151 equals to 0. So we'll write this equation as 9x minus 1 square minus 16 y minus 1 square, and then 16 minus 9 it is plus 7, and minus 151 plus 7 is 144. So we can write this equation as x minus 1 whole square, and if we'll divide it with 9, it will be simply 16 and minus y minus 1 square upon 9, and this is equal to 1. So what we'll do is we'll compare it with the standard equation, which is capital X square upon 16 minus capital Y square upon 9, and this is equal to 1, where capital X is x minus 1 and capital Y is y minus 1. Now for this hyperbola, value of A is 4 and value of B is 3. So first we'll find its eccentricity. So we know that B square is A square into E square minus 1. So B square is 9, A square is 16, and this is E square minus 1. So we'll get the value of E as simply 5 by 4. So that's your option number D. Now focus is at plus minus AE comma 0. So capital X equals plus minus AE and capital Y equals 0. So capital X is X minus 1 and this is plus minus A into E. So A into E is simply 5 and capital Y is y minus 1 equals to 0. So we'll take plus sign, we'll get it as 6 comma 1, and if we'll take minus sign, then we'll get minus 4 comma 1, and that's your option C. Now equation of directrix is capital X equals plus minus A upon E. So it'll be x minus 1 equals plus minus. Now what's A upon E? A upon E simply will be 16 upon 5. So we'll take plus sign, we'll get it as x equals 21 by 5, and that's your option number A. Now the last thing is length of lattice rectum. So we know that length of lattice rectum is 2b square upon A. So it'll be 2, and what's b square? B square is 9 and A is simply 4. So it'll be 9 by 2, and that's your option number B. So for this question, all the options A, B, C and D, they are correct.